Most automatic car owners are slowly killing their vehicles without even realizing it. The problem? Small, everyday mistakes that seem harmless at first but silently eat away at your transmission, engine, and suspension until one day, boom, a massive repair bill lands in your lap. In this video, I'll reveal the biggest mistakes drivers make with their automatic cars that guarantee early breakdowns and expensive repairs. Stick around till the end because number 10 is something almost every driver is guilty of, and it's one of the fastest ways to destroy your automatic transmission. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe for more car-saving tips, and let's keep your ride alive for years to come. 1. Shifting without stopping. One of the deadliest mistakes automatic drivers make is shifting from reverse to drive or from drive to reverse while the car is still rolling. It might save you a second in the parking lot, but it sends a violent shock through your transmission. Automatic transmissions rely on clutch packs and hydraulic pressure to smoothly change gears. Forcing it while moving grinds those components together, causing early wear and even complete transmission failure. A rebuild or replacement can cost $3,000 to $6,000. The solution? Always bring your car to a complete stop before changing gear directions. It takes just one extra second, but saves thousands over your car's life. And speaking of transmission killers, the next mistake silently burns it from the inside. 2. Ignoring transmission. Transmission fluid is the lifeblood of your automatic gearbox. It lubricates, cools, and ensures smooth gear shifts. But many drivers never check it, let alone replace it. Over time, heat breaks down the fluid, turning it from a healthy pink/red into a dark, burnt-smelling mess. Dirty fluid can't lubricate properly, leading to overheating, slipping gears, or total failure. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid doesn't burn off. If you're low, it usually means you have a leak. Always check your fluid regularly, look for leaks, and change it every 40,000 to 60,000 miles depending on your car. Fresh fluid is cheap, a fried transmission is not. But fluids aren't the only thing drivers neglect. Some are actually cooking their transmission every time they drive. 3. Overheating the transmission. Heat is the #1 killer of automatic transmissions. Every time your transmission overheats, the fluid breaks down faster, losing its protective qualities. Driving in heavy traffic, towing, or climbing steep hills without proper cooling can cause your transmission to run at dangerously high temperatures. Once it overheats, seals start hardening, clutches wear out, and gears slip. A transmission cooler can extend its life dramatically if you drive in hot conditions or haul heavy loads. Even without mods, taking it easy in extreme heat and keeping an eye on warning lights will protect your car. Remember, transmissions like to stay cool. Ignore that, and you'll pay the price. Now let's move to a mistake that drivers make before they even start driving. Skipping warm-ups. 4. Driving hard on a cold engine. Many drivers start their car, throw it into drive, and floor it right away. But when your engine and transmission are cold, the fluids inside are still thick and haven't circulated properly. Accelerating aggressively at this stage means gears, pistons, and bearings are moving at high speeds without enough lubrication. This microscopic wear adds up fast. Instead, let your car idle for 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently until it reaches operating temperature. This one simple habit can add years to your engine and transmission's life. Remember, patience in the first few minutes saves thousands later. And once you're driving, this next habit is like slow poison for your brakes and transmission. 5. Riding the brakes. Keeping your foot lightly on the brake pedal, especially in traffic or downhill, is a habit that destroys both brakes and transmission. Constant pressure causes brake pads and rotors to overheat and glaze, drastically reducing stopping power. In automatics, it also confuses the transmission and torque converter, making them work harder than necessary. The correct way? Use the brake firmly and release completely. On hills, shift into a lower gear and use engine braking. This keeps your brakes cool, your transmission stress-free, and your wallet safe from costly repairs. But brakes aren't the only thing drivers overuse. Many are guilty of abusing their accelerator too. 6. Hard acceleration and sudden stops. Slamming the gas and then stomping on the brakes might make you feel powerful, but your car pays the price. Hard acceleration forces your engine and transmission to operate under maximum stress, while sudden stops cook your brakes and wear out your suspension. Studies show aggressive driving increases fuel consumption by 40% and wears out components twice as fast. Smooth, gradual inputs extend the life of everything, from tires to transmission. Think of your car like your body. Sprinting nonstop is exhausting. Pacing yourself makes you last longer. And now we need to talk about one mistake that drivers don't think twice about, but it eats your transmission alive. 7. Resting your hand on the gear shifter. It seems harmless, just casually resting your hand on the gear selector while cruising. But here's the truth. That pressure transfers down into the transmission's shift forks and synchronizers, creating unnecessary wear. Over time, this habit causes sloppy gear engagement and premature damage. Keep both hands on the steering wheel instead. Not only is it safer, but it prevents years of hidden wear inside your gearbox. This is one of those habits where the damage is invisible, until one day your transmission starts slipping and the repair bill hits like a truck. Up next, let's talk about fuel tanks and why running them low is a silent car killer. 8. Running on low fuel. Many drivers wait until the low fuel light comes on before filling up, but this is a big mistake. Your fuel pump sits inside the tank and relies on fuel for cooling and lubrication. When the level drops too low, the pump overheats, wears out, and eventually fails. Replacing it costs $500 to $1,000. Worse, the bottom of your fuel tank contains dirt and debris. Running low increases the chance of sucking that gunk into your fuel system, clogging injectors and damaging your engine. The golden rule? Never let your fuel drop below a quarter tank. It keeps your pump cool, your system clean, and your engine happy. Now let's cover a mistake that happens almost daily in traffic, and it ruins transmissions fast. 9. Constant stop-and-go abuse. City traffic is brutal on automatic transmissions. Constant stop-and-go driving forces the transmission to shift repeatedly, overheating the fluid and wearing out clutch packs. Add in sudden throttle and brake inputs, and you've got a recipe for premature failure. The fix? In heavy traffic, drive smoothly, leave space between you and the car ahead, and avoid riding the brakes. If your commute is mostly stop and go, changing transmission fluid more often is essential. It's the cheapest way to extend transmission life in urban driving conditions. But even with careful driving, the next mistake happens when people park, and it quietly ruins transmissions. 10. Not using the parking brake. Many automatic drivers think the P on the shifter is all they need to hold the car in place when parked. But here's the catch. When you park on an incline without the parking brake, all the car's weight rests on a small metal pin inside the transmission called the parking pal. Over time, this stress wears it down, and if it fails, your car can roll away. The correct habit is simple. Always engage the parking brake before shifting into P. This takes the load off the transmission and keeps your car secure. It's a tiny step that prevents massive headaches down the road. So there you have it, the 10 biggest mistakes that are killing your automatic car faster than you realize. If you caught yourself guilty of a few, don't panic. Now's the perfect time to break those habits and save your car from an early death. Remember, it's the small things you do every day that decide whether your car lasts 80,000 miles or 300,000 miles. Which of these mistakes are you guilty of? Drop your answer in the comments below. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert for more insider tips, and share this with someone who drives an automatic before they ruin their car too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.